Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my second ever video. Before we start, I would like to wish everyone a good health. I hope you guys are doing okay amidst this coronavirus situation. Please stay safe, please stay hygienic, and don't go out if you don't need to. So yeah, so into this video, I see that you know that from the thumbnail I'm unboxing one item from Farfetch and another item from Chanel. I will do the Chanel one in the last video because why not? So yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so I actually got this in the mail today. I actually took that off. And as you open it, there's a Farfetch logo right there, and I'm pretty sure you can see from here I got something from Laurent. So there's another card there for the refund ticket. So here's the box. It's tiny. I'm pretty sure you can guess what it is. So get a dust bag, and because I bought it from Farfetch, you usually get a Farfetch card right here. So if you need to return it, you put this yeah, you have to attach this label inside your bag, inside your item. Actually, it's not really a bag. So let's do this. So here it is. This is my awhile Uptown Clutch. I got this in, supposedly it looks like a cream-ish, coal-ish white. I don't know if you can see here. It does look pretty white, like it looks very pearly in here. So it comes with gold hot wear. It came also in the pebbled leather. So I expected mine to be actually a smooth one, but I think I will prefer this one more because I have long nails. Not very long, but I am a bit clumsy. So typically I would usually scratch my items. So but this is good because it will be scratch proof. So yeah, it comes with gold hardware, and there's a magnetic closure here. So this is the inside. I think I can fit a card holder and my phone in there, as well as a lipstick. So I'm purely getting this. Oh, you can hear the magnetic closure. So I'm using this for more of a events, anniversary slash wedding sort of event use. I love the leather smell. Do you love the leather smell? Is it just me? Am I weird? I don't know. So let me get my card holder and my phone. So I'm back. Here is the clutch. My phone. I got this in the 11 Pro Max, so can fit in there. I've got my Chanel card holder. I got this pre-loved, which is in a very good deal and very good condition. I just had to pay extra for the CC logo because it was scratched, so I got it fixed. But I don't think I can fit this one in here. Oh, so apparently you can. It just bulges a bit because of the Chanel caviar puffy leather. So, and it's a bit quite thick, so you can't see. So I'm not going to use this one. I have my YSL card holder, which I think this will fit perfectly. Ooh, amazing! So doesn't bulge as much as the Chanel card holder. So I believe I can fit another lipstick in there, which I don't have it here with me. Wait a second. So I've got my Gucci lip balm, which I'm wearing today. So okay, that fits perfectly well. So as you can see, this is a very minimal clutch to use for a wedding, and as you can see, it doesn't really bulge much from here, just a little bit. Oh, that fits perfectly. So I don't know, I quite like this because when I got it I was a bit underwhelmed, but then the more I hold it, the more I look at it. I really enjoy looking at this clutch, which yeah. So I really love the pebbled leather. It's, you know, it's treated obviously, but it's so beautiful. It's so smooth to touch, and YSL does this really well, to be honest. I'm really glad I got this, sort of, I guess now. Because when I bought it online, I wasn't really sure. I just bought it because it was the last one in stock, and on the YSL website it was all sold out, so I guess I got it on impulse. But it comes at a very good price given that it's a YSL item. So I paid this in Hong Kong dollars, $3,650 plus $50 of shipping on Farfetch. I think this is a very good price because it's a good leather. It's sturdy, comes with the gold hardware, really good magnetic closure, really good for evening use. Because I know that I wanted to get a wall-on chain, which is really expensive. It's over 10,000 Hong Kong dollars, which I don't think I'm able to pay that amount for a wall-on chain. So this is good. So for the last part, I'm gonna unbox this Chanel right here. So initially I wasn't gonna buy anything when I walked in. I was gonna try it out, but they didn't have it in the color that I wanted to see and try, as well as my size obviously. And then the sales associate I was with, she's been helping me quite a few times. When I went to fix my CC logo, my card holder, she also helped me out there. So I told her I wanted to have a look and try them out, and then she said that the one I wanted didn't have my size. So you can sort of guess what this is. This is the box. So comes with a card, dust bags, really happy to get this. So there it is. Let me take out the tissue paper. So this is the Chanel Espadrilles. I got this one in the light gray canvas with the double CCs, and on the inside there are lambskin lining, as well as on the side here, so it's pretty comfortable. So I actually had a bad experience with Espadrilles before. I actually had a pair from Tory Burch, I think a year ago now. So they didn't have this lambskin lining in here, so when I wore it, I went out for a couple of hours, I think. So I think half an hour in, it was pretty alright, and an hour later I realized that, you know, the bottom of my feet really hurt. So because it was just, you know, the raw straw thing underneath, so it really hurt. I tried wearing it with a pair of Invincible socks the next day or so. It still hurts, and I couldn't add any cushion because it would make my feet really tight and I couldn't wear them. So yeah, that was really disappointing. So when I went into Chanel, my sales associate I mentioned earlier, she helped me with this fixing of the CC logo. So she brought this one out, and I asked her if this would hurt. She said no, because there will be a lining in there. And then I said that, you know, the previous pair I tried elsewhere, it wasn't comfortable, so she made sure that this was okay, and I tried it on as well. So this is a clear winner. I didn't even need to try the goatskin one. I really love this. It just, you know, it makes my feet look really great. I think it pairs on really well, because initially when I tried it, I will insert a photo in here. You see that I'm wearing a dark gray jeans, cut crop jeans, and it still looks good. So I didn't buy it that day. I went home, I thought about it for a whole day, for like 24 hours I think. So I went out and I called my sales associate. She was on leave that day, so she asked her colleagues to keep this pair for me, which I went in, I got it. I'm really happy. So I mean, I know that this is a very expensive pair. This one retails at 4,800 Hong Kong dollars, where the goat skin, the leather one, it's selling at 5,000 Hong Kong dollars. I know that some people might prefer the leather one, but for me, I had a pair of goat skin leather Chanel slingback heels before. It wasn't really comfortable. I had that in half a size down, which I'm currently wearing size 35, which is my usual size in my high heels and lots of other shoes. But I went half a size down on the pair of slingbacks. I liked it, but the slings kept falling off, and so my feet would hurt in the front right here. So yeah, that was a bit disappointing. I'm gonna sell that one off, as well as the Tory Burch ones. But I think this one is a very good pair of shoes to invest on. But I think I would be buying a spray to, you know, spray on the canvas so that it doesn't get dirty. One thing I was told is that do not wear this on rainy days. Hong Kong is a bit rainy recently, so I haven't got the chance to wear them out yet. But when it comes to summer, I think I will be wearing this one quite a lot. So yeah, I will also try this one on and show you later on in another clip, which I'm really happy I got this. So yeah. So that's it for my video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ultimately, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying well. Don't go out if you don't have to. So yeah, take care, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.